Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation the square root of 4x is equal to x minus 3. We're asked what are all values of x that satisfy the given equation. And we're given 1 and 9 as possible answers. And we're asked, is it 1 only, is it 2 only, is it both of them, or is it neither of them? So we only have two options right here, so I think the easiest way to solve this problem is just to plug it in and see if the equation holds. So if x is 1, then we have the square root of 4 times 1 is equal to x, which is 1 minus 3. 4 times 1 is 4, so we have the square root of 4 is equal to 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. The square root of 4 is 2, is equal to negative 2. This is not true, so 1 is not a solution to the equation. Doing the same thing where x is equal to 9, we have 4 times 9, the square root of that is equal to 9 minus 3. 4 times 9 is 36, so we have the square root of 36 is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6. The square root of 36 is 6, which is equal to 6, so 9 is an answer. 2 is the only value of x that satisfies the given equation, so B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.